UTI Banking and Financial Services Fund.
You know, Myra, while making online payments, I was thinking how India's banking and financial services sector has undergone a massive transformation. It's now so seamless, paying utility bills, securing loan for a car, or even online shopping. It's all powered by secure transaction and the convenience of digital banking.
Absolutely, Ria. That's why I have invested in India's banking and financial sector. India is rapidly advancing towards a 5 trillion economy. And you know what powers its growth? It's the fuel of credit. Credit growth has consistently outpaced GDP growth, growing 1.5 times faster than nominal GDP. And guess what? Our credit penetration stands at 80% of GDP, with huge untapped potential. Banks and lenders are poised to benefit significantly from this.
And let's not forget the shift in our saving patterns. More and more people are moving away from physical assets like gold and real estate towards financial markets through stocks, mutual funds, etc. It's like a financial revolution.
Exactly, Ria. As income level rise, people also look at buying protection through insurance. India's insurance market is still largely untapped, and we are just scratching the surface.
This sounds exciting, Myra. But how can I invest in this sector?
Well, I invest in this sector through UTI Banking and Financial Services Fund. UTI Banking and Financial Services Fund focuses on opportunities within India's BFSI sector, offering exposure to a range of businesses beyond banks, including NBFCs, capital market players such as broking firms, stock exchanges, AMCs, and insurance and fintech firms. They have a dynamic portfolio spanning mid-cap and small-cap companies. And the fund's philosophy prioritizes top-tier companies with a proven track record of growth, while strategically allocating assets to turn around opportunities for potential outsized returns. The fund also gives higher exposure to mid and small-cap companies within BFSI universe of 100+ names.
Wow, that sounds like a great way to participate in India's growth story.
Invest in UTI Banking and Financial Services Fund for a journey on India's Growth Express. Exposure to NBFCs, insurance, capital market plays, fintech and more beyond banks. Beyond large caps, higher allocation to mid and small caps within BFSI universe. Focus on companies with demonstrated history of consistent growth and return ratios. Suitable for investors with high risk appetite seeking high growth potential. To know more, contact your mutual fund distributor or registered investment advisor or call 8655 19940.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.